Hi everyone, I am Himanjali from Vishnu Institute of Technology. Welcome to Interesting Sports Scheduler. Ever struggled with organizing sports sessions efficiently? Managing schedules, players, and availability can be a hassle. Introducing Sports Scheduler, a smart way to streamline sports session management effortlessly. With Sports Scheduler, you can create, manage, and track sports sessions seamlessly. Whether you are a coach, a player, or an organizer, it makes scheduling hassle-free. Let's see my sports scheduler design. This is my web base. It shows that it is a sports scheduler and it has two buttons, login and sign up. If you want to create an account, you should sign up and give name like player1 and the email address player1@gmail.com and give your password and select it as role player and click the button sign up, and it shows the recent sports that is created by the admin, and it has three sidebar questions like dashboard, your sessions, and sign out option. These sports are created by the admin only. The sports does not created by the player. If we want to see how to create a sessions, and if you want to click the sessions, your sessions will come. And these are the recent sports, and there is no session created by player. If you want to create the session, then fill the details like when will the sports session be held, click any time, and where the session will be played, choose any place, and how many players can play that game. I choose ABC, and how many players do you need, set as usual count, and click the button create session. It shows that there is a session in hockey game. This is created by the player. The player can create any sessions and cancel the sessions. And these are the sessions, and it shows that today's session is one session. And if you want to sign out, then it comes. If you want to sign in as the admin, give the name as admin1, and the email address is admin, and the role is admin, and sign up. Then this shows the recent sports, and if you want to create any sport, then click the button like create new sport. These are the sports that is created by the admin in previously. These are all the sports, and if you want to create any new sport, create new sport is clicked, and enter the name like I have entered the badminton and choose create, and the badminton is created and it shows in the main page. I have created the session in a hockey sessions in the player task. And if you want to create any new session, then create new session button is clicked, and set the time as usual process. And where the session will be played, select any area and select players. And how many more players do you need? And create the session will be created in this like this is the session creation process, and these are the sports. As I said previously, if you want to get the reports, click the reports option and select the date from where to where, that is like start date and the end date. Okay, it shows that there are 3 players and 3 matches played, and the sports played mostly is hockey. This report is only on the admin space. If you want to see another report like before the date, I want to change the date and choose there are 3 players and 3 matches played like this. These are the reports of the admin. If you want to sign out and again login as admin, this is the login page and this is the main page of the admin. These are the sports, and it shows that hockey has 2 sessions. And if you want to log in as player, login, These are the sports. It does not have access to create any sport. It is the profile of the player one, as it shows name, email address, and the role. And again, sign out. If you want to see the profile of the admin, it shows the admin name, email address, and the role, like this. And this is my file structure of my code, and it is the app.js file, like it uses the express and node.js, and this is used for routing, like user routes, sports routes, and session routes, user session routes, dashboard routes. It is used for the routing by using, I have used authentication by passport, and I have used the path for taking the path routes, and in the I have used a views folder for the components and the pages. And if you want to run this file, I have used the terminal. Like it is the total data is stored in app.js, and this app.js is linked to the index.js, like port carrying subject, and these are the routes for getting where to where and how to send from the data from source to the destination. There is a logical routing, and I have used several methods and several login and profile routes and sign out routes, player session routes. And if you want to it, use node index.js, and it runs on the local host 3000. Then click, it shows my website, and use it for any sign up and login as a login into the admin. And these are the sports created by the admin. And that's it. And thank you for watching my video. And for any reference of the code, please visit this GitHub link. And thank you.